Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick overview if we have a flexible instruction day, which is an FID day in the near future. So your child is going to go on their iPad, and the first thing that they're going to click is Google Classroom. There's an app. It looks like a person, has a green screen behind them. It says Classroom underneath. When they hit that, they might have some extra classes, but they should be hitting Mrs. Wiltrout's second grade class. When they open that, they'll see this. There's a couple little things at the top: stream, classwork, people, grades. They're going to want to go into classwork. And what they're going to do is they have a couple different assignments that they're going to do. When they go in here, the assignment that they click is going to look like this. It says FID assignments. They could click here to listen to the directions that I read to them so they could hear them. But there's something for each subject: English and language arts, math, social studies. They're going to go through the lesson. So what they could do is anything that is blue and underlined is a link. So they're just going to click it, and it's going to take them to whatever they have to do. They are allowed to do this at any time during the day. This is going to be available starting at 9:30 tomorrow morning. If you or your child has a question, you may message me on Seesaw. If they want to, I'll be leaving comments to them when they hand in their work on Seesaw. If they need to meet with me on a video, like a Google Meet, you can reach out to me about that, but they don't have to. So last year, there was required times that the students needed to be live. We are not doing that this year. So they just need to get their assignments done in a timely manner during the day. If they don't get them done, that's okay. We could look at them the next day too. But I'll be checking those assignments throughout the day. So again, first thing that your child is going to do, go in Google Classroom, make sure they're in Mrs. Wiltrout's class, click classwork, and then they're going to go into whatever is posted here. Looks like this then. Anything that is underlined is a link. It will take them right to where they need to be. So there's some Seesaw activities that they might have to do. There's a math activity, a reading. Anything that they need to do is right on here. It should be pretty easy for them to complete. If they need to meet with me on Google Meet, they do know how to do this, and we have went over all this in the classroom as well. But if they do need to go on Google Meet, there is, back in Google Classroom, there's a link that they would just click. They won't be allowed in until I let them in the meeting. But again, that is just if they need to ask me a question that I can't answer over messaging. So they can you can message me on Seesaw if you have any questions about anything, but it should be easy for the children to complete. Again, we have gone over this in school a couple times now, so the students are very aware of what they need to do. Okay? Again, assignments will be posted at 9:30 in the morning on every FID day. They just need to complete the assignments. There is no live instruction. Any questions, please feel free to message me. Thank you.